Alright, so I want to make a quick demonstration here of how to write to a HTML file in Java. This is using Eclipse here, and I'll put some stuff on my console, maybe down on the bottom. So, getting to it, we need a way to write to a file, and we need a file, and then we need to actually put the input in, right? So let's just make some really simple HTML so that there's nothing complicated, and then I'm also going to just show you the buffered writers, right, and the way to add files. So nothing too crazy. So we're going to say Java. So I'm going to say file f equals new file, and I need to give it a type, which it's an HTML file type, a name, and then a place to make the file. And it's going to want me to import my java.io up here. And then we'll also need our buffered writers. So buffered writer. This allows us to write to the file. We'll call bw equals new buffered writer. And it's going to want a stream, so we're going to say new file writer. And that file writer wants wants me to import more Java stuff here. And you basically just keep hitting import until everything's happy. That's what Eclipse in Java does for you, and it's going to want me to add a throw try catch exception. It's going to want me to surround that. So now we've successfully surrounded that, so now we've met all these prerequisites, if you would. Okay, so now we have our stream writer or file writer in Java, and we have our buffered writer, and we're writing to our F file, or the file which is called test.html in our C. And then we are also going to want to actually write the string. So let's make a string up here, and I'm going to say string HTML equals, and I'm going to make a really basic one. I'll make a div, and we'll say, and you can kind of, I guess you can kind of format this however you want. I'm going to do it inline because then it's all just one line, but you can do multiple as long as you have the operators involved. So then I'm going to say h1, this is test HTML, and then I'm going to do closing bracket first. So these are called tags, right? So you have a div tag, an h1 tag, a p tag for paragraphs. This is a header one, so it's the biggest header. And then I'll do p, and I'll say this is a test paragraph for our, and I see I'm going off of this, so I'm going to wrap it around here for our HTML page. Okay. And actually I will bring this down too. So it's all, you can see everything hopefully now. So right, this is our HTML. So now we're going to write it, bw.write, and we're going to write just the HTML string. That's all we're going to do. And then we need to close that writer as well. And that's it. Okay, so I'm going to now run this because this is literally all you need. So I'm going to, and now you see I have this test file here. I'm going to open this, and there you go. So now we have our test page.